Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x minus 1. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u, we have number 1. So we have du. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. This one is about the constant. So you got about 0. So we have ds. This one we change by u. Similar for this one. ds we change by du. We have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. Now we can apply the formula for this one and this one. So we have u to the power of 6 over 6, u to the power of 4 over 4. This one is about the constant. So we have 5u and we put about c. About u, that is about x minus 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.